Hi everyone, this is my analysis clip for 3 near misses, 60 seconds. So, this roundabout from the right has 2 lanes. The left lane is for taking exit 1, of which I'm emerging from, and going straight over. Right lane is for going right. Rather than coming off at this exit and rerouting, the car tries to change lane last second. This car does a great job of preventing what could have been a pretty nasty collision. Keep an eye on this car here, this will be important later on. Next, check out this blue car. It starts in the left lane and ends up in the middle. Whichever lane you reach the roundabout in, make sure you enter in the same one, in this case, far left. Love the reaction from the car over. Remains slow, deals with the problem, no hassle. I'd be interested to know if the driver even realises they made a mistake. Remember the white car I pointed out earlier? It's now cut in front of the blue car, who doesn't seem to like it very much, despite doing a very similar thing earlier. My main takeaway for this clip is if you find yourself in the wrong lane, go along with it and reroute. You may lose 30 seconds, a minute, a couple of minutes, but if you try and correct this and get it wrong, you're going to lose an awful lot more. The first car, for example, remain in that left lane, come off at the exit, turn around. The white car later on, they're in the right hand lane, just go round again. It's not worth the risk. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for any future clips. Thank you for watching.
Again, that had nothing to do with you.